Hey guys, welcome back to the Savannah Everything channel. Today, alright, today we're gonna be, oh my gosh, what is that? But today I'm gonna be showing you how to, make an ender portal to the ender world. Yeah. So, I'm gonna do this on a random island. Portal thingy. Alright. Now, it has to be somewhere flat, so let me just clear all this stuff. Hang on, let me clear this. Alright. So, you're gonna go to, I think, homewares, yeah. And then you're gonna need the ender, or the eye of ender, so you're gonna need that. You're also gonna need, where is it? I don't know where this is. Oh, there. Then you're gonna need the end portal. Ta-da! Now that's pretty much it. Alright, so here's how you're gonna do it. You're gonna have 3 by 3. Now the thing is, lots of times it won't work for people the first time because you see this thing right here, like when I'm pointing to, you guys might not see it, but this little blotch right there, that always has to be facing inwards. See, like if I do it like that, it's not gonna work because these things right here, they're facing not inwards but outwards. So you gotta make sure they're facing inwards, like that. Then you're gonna skip one, do it like this, blah, blah, no. Alright, and then skip one, do that, that, and then you'll skip one, that, and that. So now that you've done that, you're gonna place an eye of ender on every single one. No! I always do that. I clicked the wrong button. The last one. Hey, that didn't work. Why did that not work? Oh well. Poor me. They're all facing inwards. Or are they? Dun dun dun! Oh, this one isn't. No. 3, 2, 1. Now we got it. Now we got it. Now, whenever you go to the underworld, you probably always want to have a diamond sword and diamond armor because that's the strongest. So now I'm here. Hooray me.